Hi guys, another charity shop gold or garbage. I've seen this sort of desktop toy quite often in the charity shops, but they usually want a bit more money for it. This was down to £1.49, so I thought I'd buy it. Let's see if we can get that off. Yes, desktop bowling game. I did have a little peek in the shop to make sure all the bits were in there. Produced for Zebra AS, Grandad 71, Copenhagen, Denmark. Oh, www.tstores.co, Tesco's, I guess that is. Yep, 10 of them. Even still got the silica gel in there. So, the idea set these up. I was thinking my grandsons might play with it, but I rather suspect they might be a bit too boisterous. That's the polite way to put it. This one looks like it's made out of fiberboard, or whatever you call it. Sort of stuff you get cheap furniture made out of. I have seen some rather nice ones that look like they're made of oak or something like that. Okay. So that goes on there. Aim it in the right direction. I don't know if there was actually any instructions in the box. No. Can you make it go? That was a bit disappointing. Might have to try and check the level of the table. Let's go that way a bit. Got one down. To move one out the way, I suppose. Well, wasn't that exciting? Yeah, I wouldn't want to pay much more than that for it. And it would have been handy if there'd been some rules. I mean, normally you get 3 balls, but there was only one shown. When I say you normally get 3 balls, that's when I used to play 10 pin bowling. No, that was 9 pin, wasn't it? Oh well, I don't remember. Used to have 3 balls when I used to play. Right, better put it away, hadn't I? Another charity shop find. Nice enough, everything's there, and it only cost me £1.50. I'll put them up for the thumbnail.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.